Welcome back to Baking with Wyatt! Sorry if I scared you. This is my girlfriend. Hi everyone, welcome back to Baking with Wyatt. My name is Wyatt and my costume is Frankenstein's monster. With me today is a witch named Laylee.
Hello.
And here is her cauldron. On today's episode, we'll be making 4 bone-tingling recipes.
Helter Seltzer.
Potassium ghosts!
Panja Lantern.
Spooky cheese face. Let's get things kicked off with a Sandra Lee cocktail called the Helter Seltzer. For this cocktail, you will need some blood. You take your blood and you kind of rim it around on the inside of the cup.
You really want that ooze?
It's kind of freaking me out.
Ooh. Is that enough or we need
No,
more?
that's perfect. Fill it up with some seltzer.
Helter Seltzer.
Seltzer.
So for your garnish, an eyeball. What you're gonna wanna do is find a lychee or rambutan.
All right, let's cut open our spooky fruit. Look at this, what I'm doing. Do this at home.
Wait, what? That was perfect.
Yeah, she killed it.
We're good at it. Is there a nut in this?
Yeah.
I broke it.
Here's the thing, we're gonna skewer with a toothpick anyway, so it's okay if this is like...
Ruined.
Explain what you did.
I just stuck this in my eye and yanked it out. Now she's gonna dip it in some blood for better effect, and then plop it in the creepy tumbler. Woo! This is the kitty cocktail. If you want Aunt Sandy's cocktail time, add 2 shots of vodka. Cheers.
Cheers. I hate it. I recommend Sprite at home.
Sprite would have been much better. Much
Sandra,
better.
why didn't Sandra think of it?
But let's retry the taste
Yeah.
test. Cheers!
Cheers!
Mmm.
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 Keep going more.
It's got this very...
Whoa.
Next recipe. Tangerine lanterns! You'll need some stalks of celery for this recipe, as well as some tangerines. Step 1. Peel a tangerine. Is this a tangerine? No!
Clementine?
As you can see, it resembles a pumpkin already. You're gonna use a knife to cut celery into little tiny stem pieces and insert them to the top of the clementine.
Taste test.
Oh.
No, you should announce that it's a taste test. This is going exactly how these normally go.
It's taste test time. Delicious. Recipe number 3.
Did you just do one middle finger?
Recipe number 3.
What? Recipe number 3. Potassium ghosts.
For this recipe, all you'll need is some mini chocolate chips and some bananas.
Oh.
Oh my god.
That's a ripe banana.
This will work perfectly.
Wait a second.
Wait, when did that happen? You take a chocolate chip, shove it in pointy side in to the flesh of a banana. And there you have a potassium ghost.
What's so nice about this recipe is that if you have little monsters at home, it's very easy for them to do too.
And they are healthy and sexually active. Taste test.
The perfect little amount of chocolate. You can keep remaking your ghosts along the way. It's now time for our ghoulish grand finale.
Spooky cheese face! For this recipe, all you're gonna need is spreadable cheese.
What?
Sorry. What is it?
So in this ball, there is 2 blocks of cream cheese, 2 packages of garden herb cream cheese. What you're gonna wanna do is wrap it up, put it into the face of a mask, and push to shape and mold. Looks great.
And don't worry if it comes out a little wonky because you can always reshape it with your hands.
We have 2 different kinds of pesto, red and green. So what we're gonna do with this pesto is split half and half. Laylee will do one side red, I will do one side green. And that is gonna be scary, okay?
Yeah.
If you're a big fan of pesto, go all out, okay? This is not a time for skimping.
And here on Baking with Wyatt, we're a big fan of pesto.
We love pesto.
Pesto!
Amazing! To assemble the rest of the face, we have some mint leaves, slivered almonds, pine nuts, roasted red peppers, and stuffed olives.
I like to begin with the eyes.
The eyes. It actually calls for basil. The real recipe calls for basil. They didn't have any. So I got mint. I'll let you place the other eye.
Make it really messed up.
Yeah, that would be good.
I love a little asymmetry in my monsters. Don't hurt me.
Okay.
Oh.
Cut it in
it.
half. Cut it quick.
Oh my gosh.
Next, hair or lips?
Let's do some lips.
Take your red peps.
Just right on.
Yeah. You take your pine nuts and you stick them in here for teeth.
The fun part about the teeth is that you can make them as zany, wacky, crooked as you want.
Hair! The slivered almonds are being stuck into the skull. We can't tilt it much because it's very juicy. So this is spooky cheese face, and it can be best enjoyed with fresh veggies or crackers. Let's dig in!
Delicious!
Well, you better get back to the North Pole. And now I just need to say a sincere thank you to my assistant today.
Thank you so much, Franklin Wyatt. And thank you all at home. I've had such a frighteningly fun time today, but now I must be getting back to my brew.
Well, everything seems to be back to normal. I can't wait to have a super fun Halloween party with my friends. I hope you guys try these recipes at home. Be sure to upload them to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, and tag me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, give it a comment, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and your family, and let's all have a safe, fun, and meaningful Halloween season together. Well, I can't thank you enough for coming out.
Thank you.
Dang it.